these JBL Live 660 NC over-ear headphones 58 days ago and tested them. You are right now on the channel Unboxlap, and I will tell you exactly what features these headphones got and what the results are of my detailed testing. Later on I will give a precise explanation if these JBLs are made for your use cases or not. Let's dive straight into some product details. These headphones with active noise cancelling were available for around $160 when they got released in 2021. Today it's possible to get your hands on for $100 to $120. For this amount of money, JBL gives you a bunch of features. Charging the headphones to 100, you are able to use the 660 live for 50 hours without ANC. If you want to delete the surroundings, you are able to listen for 40 hours. If you are in a hurry, quick charging the device for 10 minutes brings an additional playtime of 4 hours. The multi-point connection that even much higher budget headphones don't have deletes the problem to switch for a phone call between computer and smartphone. With multi-point, it's easy to connect and switch between different devices. The pause and play feature is, for me, besides the app, which I will show you later, one of the highlights. You can just throw these JBLs off your head and the music will stop. Pick the earphones up again after a while and it continues to play immediately. Now we already started with the big highlights of the headphones. Besides the pause and play feature, the material of the JBL 660 is a positive aspect. The fabric mesh cover on top feels like it was really well made of quality materials. The rest of the earphones are made of plastic, which is okay for that price category, but there is one big disadvantage caused by the material, which I will show a little later. Another pro for the JBL 660 NC is that they are still foldable and the small little bag is pretty good to storage while traveling. The sound quality itself stands out on these headphones. The balance is really good and the sound quality of the vocals is really clear. For around €100 and $120, the style is pretty solid. The app is intuitive and gives you many options to specify your individual preferences. You can choose between 3 different ANC modes and 5 equalizer presets, plus 1 extra for your own preset. You can also turn off the pause and play feature. A negative aspect for the app is, in my opinion, that you have no option like Find My Device. The upcoming negative points are all in all not that big, but I still think that they should be mentioned. The noise cancelling is not working that well when you are in an airplane with really loud sounds around you. Sometimes I heard disturbing noises and not even the music. The charging is for me just a joke. Also is the difference in packaging between a $30 and a $150 headphone not enough. For me as a person with glasses, the earphones hurt a little bit after around 2 hours. Without glasses, the comfort is really good, but because of the plastic, you can see nearly every fingerprint on the device. Let's now get to the point where we clarify who the headphones are suitable for. The JBL Live 660 NC headphones are well suited for people in these following scenarios. Daily traveling to work. With active noise cancellation and a foldable design, these headphones are ideal for blocking out annoying ambient noises. Work and productivity. The multi-point connection feature is perfect for professionals who need to seamlessly switch between devices during work tasks. Casual listening. The well-balanced sound quality and comfortable design make these headphones suitable for everyday use, whether at home, in the office, or on the go. However, there are still situations where these headphones might not be the best choice. If you are often airplane traveling, the noise cancellation may not be as effective in extremely loud environments. Formal settings. The plastic construction and visible fingerprints may not convey a premium aesthetics, so these headphones may not be the ideal choice for formal or professional settings where a more polished appearance is desired. Now, before we continue with the final words to these JBL headphones, please take a second to let me know in the comments in what scenarios you are most of the time with earphones. But now to the summary. The JBL Live 660 NC headphones offer a future-rich experience at an attractive price point. With a long battery life, active noise cancellation and a good connectivity, they are perfect to users on the move. The well-balanced sound quality, intuitive app and a foldable design make them a good option. While some drawbacks exist, such as problematic noise cancellation in extreme scenarios and discomfort for people with glasses, these headphones provide excellent value for those seeking a budget-friendly option.